What is going on, YouTube? Today is finally the day that we get to get the YT Jeffsy Pro Race 29 built and ready to ride. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. It's probably going to be a little bit of a short one, but enjoy the build and let's get on it. Guys, so hopefully you can hear me over the air conditioning. I apologize about that. The build is finally complete. I am super stoked on the bike. Hopefully that you guys enjoyed watching me be able to build this bike. It's a super killer ride. I'm excited to go take it out on the trail. Drop a comment in the section down below if you have any questions about the build or anything. I should probably do a bike check for you guys. But other than that, stay safe and ride happy, guys.